Soul Train, the hippest trip in America. 60 non-stop minutes across the tracks of your mind into the exciting world of soul with guest stars Melba Moore, The Whispers, and the Soul Train Dancers. And now, here is your host, Don Cornelius.
Hello and welcome aboard. You're right on time for another swift ride on the Soul Train. We'll be coming right back to you with a great song by lovely Diana Ross right after these communications. With the great Diana Ross, she calls this one Love in My Lifetime.
From rags to riches, here I stand, shaped and molded by your loving hand. With faith and trust unshaken, you led me all the way. Through years of joy and tears, I'm standing here to say, you're that one love in my lifetime. And if I search this whole wide world, I know I'll never find a love that's stronger than an old tree that will be standing in the sun when my life is done. Yeah, a carefree girl, I couldn't see all the future plans, darling, you made for me. You placed the whole world at my feet, and a little flame of passion that burns eternally. Love may come and love may go, but you're the man that made me, and no one else can change me. You're my Adam, and I'm your Eve, and if I live 100 years, I know there'll only be one love in my lifetime. Only one love burning in this heart of mine. Ooh, you're that one love in my lifetime. And if I live 100 years, I know I'll never find a love that's stronger than an old tree that will be standing in the sun when my life is
And it's KC and the Sunshine Band on the Soul Train. The groove that's shown up makes you want to move real smooth. They call it shake, shake, shake.
Shake, 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 shake your booty.
like for you to meet two of our Soul Train dancers. Hi.
Hi, I'm
What's your
Diana
name?
Thompson.
Billy Starlin.
Billy? Yeah. So where'd you two get the funny clothes just alike?
Funny.
No, I'm just kidding. You know, they're real sharp.
Thank you,
What
Don.
do either of you make them up?
Well, sometimes this is just a thing that we coordinated together. We fortunately found some things that are
And
sizes.
you seem to find, fortunately, some things every month, right?
Yes, you noticed.
Yeah, I noticed. I think we probably should give you two credit because a lot of kids are dressing alike now. I think you started it out, didn't you?
Kind of.
Don't say boo, everybody. I hope you're familiar with the Soul Train Scramble
Oh,
Board.
yes.
Okay, you have 60 seconds to correctly unscramble the name of the famous recording star, group of recording stars on the board. If you do that in 60 seconds, you'll win this. You two jump on that. We're going to jump on this. I hope you miss it. Earth, Wind, and Fire, and get away. And we're very fortunate on this day to have with us one of the most exciting and versatile talents in show business as she joins us with one of the many great songs contained in her latest album on Buddha Records, this one entitled This Is It. Let's welcome Miss Melba Moore.
I can't explain what I'm feeling. I'm lost for words.
it's the Ohio Players on the Soul Train. They call this one Hoochie Coo.
Are you ready? Do what you want to do. We don't care what you do, just as long as you.
And as they join us to do their latest single entitled One for the Money, taken from a sensational album on Soul Train Records, let's get it together, gang, for The Whispers.
Everybody mingle, come on and dance to the beat. Well,
that's gonna be one for the money. Huh?
We hope so. We really hope so. Yeah.
What's your names again, real quick? I, of
Walter.
course, don't know any of you.
Right. Scotty.
Scotty.
Lavelle.
Pleasure, Lavelle.
Marcus.
Nice to meet you.
Nick.
Big Nick. What's happening?
Not much.
So, how's it feel? You got a hit record at last, huh?
It feels very
I mean, not
good.
at last. You've had a lot of big hits, but the first one on Soul Train Records, right?
Right, it feels real good. We kind of like to thank Norman Harris of the Norman Harris Machine and all the guys in Philadelphia that produced the album. And we'd like to thank the members of our band and also Soul Train Records for getting this hit records for it. We appreciate it very much.
Okay, now you're going to come back later in the show and do my favorite song on the album, right?
Right, living together.
Living together, just living together.
Yeah.
How about a gang for the Whispers? The Soul Train! And that's only half the ride. There's much more ground to cover after station identification with the lovely and talented Melba Moore and the fabulous Whispers. These are the Johnson brothers said, "Get the funk out of my face." Okay, we're back with Miss Melba Moore, and we were just trying to think of all the things that we could talk about during this 30-second period. And it seems that Melba's doing so many things that we just probably should go on to the next number, right? No, on the serious side, I know you're involved with the Big Blue Marble.
Right, that's a worldwide children's television series, and I'm spokesperson for the show because it's underwritten by IT&T, so that means it's free. Now, it's on public service, it's on syndicated television, it's on network, but it's free, it's non-commercial, so I have to tell you that it's on in your area, so you should watch. Also, a lot of the people were asking me who did my clothes, so may I say?
No.
No?
Go
I'll tell you after the show.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Giorgio Santangelo, in case anybody else wanted to know.
I see. And you're about to start on a new album, right?
Yes, This Is It was so well received that Van McCoy and I are going to try another one, see if that one will be as well received.
Now, with the success you've had with the This Is It album and the genius of Van McCoy, has anything changed for you as far as the type of appearances you do?
Oh, certainly, yes. I'm doing much more concert work, which is something I've always wanted to do, and I'm working with people who I've only loved from afar. Now I get a chance to love them up close.
That must be great.
Yes.
You're going to do a song now from the This Is It album, right? Another
Right.
song.
It's called Lean on Me, right?
Okay. How about it for Melba Moore?
Just let me you should find a hill along the way too steep to climb. Lean on me, I'll never let you fall. Lean on me, I'll keep you standing tall. Oh, somehow together we make it. Please let me dream the dreams that you're dreaming of. Whether they're big or small, or together we could make them all come true. My love, you can dream the impossible with all your heart. But if you find that your dreams are falling all apart, lean on me, never let you fall. Lean on me, keep you standing tall. Oh, somehow together we make it.
And it's brand new from the OJs. They call this one a message in our music.
Message in our music.
They say we're living together in sin. They don't understand. You're my woman and I'm your man. You and me against the world. I'm your man and you're my girl. If loving you is a sin, I'm gonna say it again and again and again and again. Mom and Dad, can't you see? We love each other. Why can't it be? For you, I turn my back on family and friends. For you, I do it again and again and again and again and again.
And here we go with the Soul Train line. The Bee Gees send this thing out of sight on the Soul Train. It's called You Should Be Dancing. it for this edition. We thank you so much for joining us. We thank our exciting guest stars, Miss Melba Moore, the Whispers, and of course the Soul Train Dancers. You come on and run with us next week on these same stations, and you can bet your last money it's all going to be a Stone Gas Honey. I'm Don Cornelius, and as always in parting, we wish you love, peace, and